Wooden wall clocks can be both functional and decorative, blending craftsmanship with aesthetics. Here are some popular design elements and styles for wooden wall clocks. Design elements: material, types of wood. Common woods include oak, walnut, maple, and cherry. Each has a unique grain and color. Finish: natural finishes, stains, or painted options can enhance the wood's beauty. Shape: traditional, round or square shapes are classic and versatile. Modern, geometric shapes or asymmetrical desi. Face and numbers: minimalist, some designs may omit numbers for a sleek look, using just hour markers. Roman or Arabic numerals: choose between classic Roman numerals or modern Arabic numbers. Hands, design: clock hands can range from simple and sleek to ornate and decorative. Color: contrasting colors can enhance visibility against the wood background. Mechanism: quartz versus mechanical. Quartz movements are more common and require less maintenance, while mechanical options can add an old world C. Styles: rustic, features distressed wood, natural finishes, and a cozy, farmhouse aesthetic. Mid-century modern, characterized by clean lines, bold colors, and functional design, often incorporating unique shapes. Scandinavian, emphasizes simplicity, functionality, and natural materials, often with light-colored woods. Artisan or handcrafted, unique, one-of-a-kind pieces with intricate carvings or artistic designs. Contemporary, combines sleek designs with modern materials, sometimes integrating Customization options, personalization. Many artisans and manufacturers offer custom engravings. You can add names, dates, or special messages, making them perfect gifts for weddings, anniversaries, or other celebrations. Color choices. While natural wood tones are popular, some clocks can be stained or painted in various colors to match your decor. Size variations. Clocks come in various sizes, from small accent pieces to large statement clocks that can serve as focal points in a room. Care and maintenance. Cleaning. Regular dusting with a soft cloth will keep the clock looking its best. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage the wood finish. Moisture control. Wood can warp with excessive moisture or dryness. Keep the clock in a stable environment, away from direct sunlight and humidity. Battery replacement. For quartz clocks, ensure you have the right type of batteries on hand for easy replacements. Trends in wooden wall clocks. Sustainable materials. As eco-friendliness becomes increasingly important, many manufacturers are sourcing wood from sustainable forests or using reclaimed wood. Mixed materials. Blending wood with materials like metal, glass, or ceramic is gaining popularity. This combination can create a striking contrast and enhance the overall design. Smart clocks, integrating technology. Some wooden clocks now include features like Bluetooth speakers, smart home compatibility, or even built-in lighting. Artistic designs. Many contemporary designs feature artistic elements, such as laser-cut patterns, abstract shapes, or artistic prints on the clock face. Popular themes. Nature-inspired. Designs that reflect natural elements, such as leaf patterns or tree rings, often appeal to those who love the outdoors. Industrial. Combining a rustic wooden base with metal accents can create an industrial feel, perfect for loft style or modern spaces. Vintage. Vintage-inspired designs often feature retro shapes, faded finishes, or distressed looks that evoke nostalgia. Functional features. Multifunctionality. Some clocks incorporate additional features like temperature displays, hygrometers, or even built-in shelving for small items. Silent movement. Ideal for bedrooms or quiet spaces. Many wooden clocks now come with silent mechanisms that prevent ticking sounds. Wall art. Certain designs double as wall art, where the clock is integrated into a larger decorative piece, enhancing the visual appeal of a room. Conclusion. Wooden wall clocks are more than just timepieces, they are expressions of style and craftsmanship. With various designs, customization options, and trends, there's a wooden clock to suit every taste and interior setting. Whether you're looking for something rustic, modern, or artistic, these clocks can add warmth and character to any space.